Oh, brother. Madman, get that thing rolling again. He was on a rip. Let's check in with him.
What am I saying? Here I am in the Freedom Factory.
Okay, put your hands down. Don't do this.
Okay, that's fine. Here I am in the Freedom Factory.
Whatever.
It's a little behind the scene magic.
What am I saying? What are we talking about?
Okay. We're talking about where we're at. You ready?
Yep.
The problem is there's a shadow here. So you need to walk towards the car. Thank you. Okay. Ready?
How's the video? Look good? All right, here we go. You ready? All right, here we go, guys. We're out here at the Freedom Factory for the last event of the year for the Cleetus Cars deal. And we got to get the car moved. With all our merch, got all our stuff ready to go. Having a good day out here. About ready to hit the track a little bit later, but they're fixing to start everything up. Turn around, we got Luxembourg over there, all the way from Australia. Super cute. We got the Rolls Royce here. We're going to tear it up. We got the new tires, side tires, hopefully last a little bit longer. So here it's ready to roll. Alright guys, well, we're fixing to make our run. They're getting, we got called out, so we're gonna go get in line, and we're gonna see how it goes in the pro class of Cleetus Cars. So let's get in the car and head on over. Come on, let's get in.
He was on the run.
He probably forgot the pump.
Let's check in with him.
You gotta put gas in it, Terry! Oh my.
Let's go! Come on, Travis. Put your hands together for Travis, man. I got right here. All right, awesome. You're holding in there. Great job.
Alright, we're back in action, dude. How the Rolls do?
Looks like the block's fine. It looks like the block's fine. Oh, good night. As long as the block's fine, fixing that's easy.
Thanks for the light. I really got that in the video.
Sorry. Well, I'm using. Don't talk to me like that. Alright, well, I think we had a major engine malfunction. And I think it threw a rod because there's a hole in the side of the pan. So it's not very big. It still cranks over, so it's not like locked up or it broke the crankshaft, but there's obviously something wrong with it. So I'm not sure if it was a little bit low on oil pressure right at the last second. I looked over, I felt the vibration, looked at the oil pressure, and it was at like 25, 30 pounds. And I let off the gas pedal and it shut off. So I tried to crank it over to see if it'd still spin, and it did, but it didn't sound very well. So obviously, well, now we gotta get to the shop. We gotta rip it apart and see what happened to it. So
What, Austin?
I took the motor out.
we gotta take the motor out. So, well, when we get back to the shop, another week or so, we're gonna get the motor out. Figure out
week?
yeah, next
I
week.
gotta know tomorrow.
I'll have the motor out in less than 2 hours. So
I gotta know tonight.
we'll get it apart.
Tonight.
I'll take the motor out right now.
When we get to the house.
All right, guys. Well, that's it for Cleetus Cars. It's a good time up until major engine malfunction. What do they call that? A rapid vehicle or rapid engine disassembly or something? Yeah, rapid unscheduled disassembly. So here we go. All right. See you guys later. All right, guys. Well, we're literally an hour and 45 minutes from the Bradenton or the Freedom Factory to my shop. So we came home, it's like 12 o'clock, and we're gonna rip the motor out and see what the hell's wrong with it. So we got a nice window right here. And we got a nice dent on this side. So we're gonna rip it out, figure out what the heck happened real fast, just so we know. Just for fun. So you guys are gonna get a double shot today. Breaking it at Cleetus Cars and figuring out what broke from Cleetus Cars. Alright, well, we're gonna set the camera up and you can watch us yank it out. Don't go off, just a little. Hold it right there.
Oh,
Going up.
hold on. There you go. We're clear, send it. Stuck on the damn car.
There it is.
Oh, fuck.
This looks so much bigger out.
It does look so much bigger out. Okay, should fall down. Might be smart.
Yeah, probably on it a little.
Probably got to beat it off because it's been.
Oh,
There it goes. The rod is gone. It broke off in the top. You have to look on this side, you'll see it.
look in this side right here.
Yeah, look at
Hey, look up here.
it. Melted it.
It burnt the crank up.
Yeah, it literally melted the
She
crank.
gone.
Over here on this side.
Hey, look up on this one. Yeah, broken.
The crank's gone. Oh yeah.
Broken.
Let's see that video.
Well, it needs 2 pistons.
Let's catch some more shit.
Lock is dead. It's not.
I mean, these look good. These all look great.
Go look at the other side of the crank.
Look up in there.
No, go look on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, the piston. But go look at the crank.
Yeah, I see it. The top of it's gone.
Go look at the other side. It's
Look at
where-
this fucking bottom of this piston.
You should see the one on that side. Well, you should see this one. Does it look like that one?
Yeah. Crank's gone. The rod broke.
Give me a flashlight.
Let me go find it.
Number 6 is worse. Number 6 is bad. 6 is definitely worse.
Well, how was your night?
Alright, so what we got going on here is it looks like we broke a rod. And then it decided to snap off, and then the piece hanging down from the piston just destroyed the crankshaft. So, I don't know why it ate up the middle of the motor. The rest of the rods look fine. Oh, that one looks like it's a little dark colored. It probably happened after this one let go because it lost oil pressure and it was still halfway running. So, well, it definitely needs a new crankshaft. Needs a couple rods. Pistons. Yeah, the pistons do not look good. That one's got shrapnel on the bottom of it. The other one, if you go from the other side, the rod just broke off and destroyed the piston. And that's why number 6 was pumping oil out of it. Piston's destroyed. But there's a good chance that the valve train's good. So I think that it's gonna set me back a little bit, but it's not gonna be horrible. So.
Set you back how?
Well, time and financial problems. Financially set me back. But other than that, I think we'll be pretty good. Needs a new oil pan, but I bet the top of the motor's fine. So,
I wouldn't make any bets.
Well, we'll see.